Alright guys, today we're doing a review of this Hardbite rugged natural potato chips. These are gluten free, as you can see. These are on sale, so that's why I picked them up. And you can check here ingredients right there, potatoes. And you'll see the nutrient panel, and let's go do a quick taste test. Okay, so this is what they look like. They actually have the ripples on them, just like the Ruffles and chips, so let's see. They taste like Ruffles actually, but crunchier. I think you get the best of like sort of the regular hard bites, but with the texture of Ruffles. So definitely check it out. Any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe channel.